This is a car that stops time, a Jaguar E-Type Series 3 Roadster, reborn through the electric vision of E.C.D Automotive Design, where heritage meets silence and performance meets purity. This is the MALVERN Commission. Powered by E.C.D's EV setup with direct drive, the MALVERN Commission delivers instant torque and effortless motion. Inside, craftsmanship commands attention. Cognac and black Nappa leather, hand-stitched single vertical diamonds, meets matte black detailing and timeless restraint. A cabin that honours its racing roots with every modern luxury resulting in a delicate balance of modern intelligence behind classic simplicity. A floating digital interface, gel audio sound, and every comfort designed to move with precision and grace. Matte opalescent gunmetal, matte black trim, and custom Y wheels define a bold new expression of elegance. With gas adjustable suspension, Fosseway performance brakes, and a custom fast steering rack, the MALVERN Commission is a handcrafted icon, electrified by innovation. The silhouette remains iconic, the pure soul of the unmistakable E-Type,